Hi, I'm Miss Amy from the Rogers Public Library and this is for my program Colorín Colorado. Hola, soy la señorita Amy y esto es para mi programa Colorín Colorado. Today I read a book called Octopus Alone, which is about an octopus that thinks it wants to be alone. So if you're interested in this book and you weren't able to hear me read it, feel free to come to the library to check it out. My craft for today is this cupcake liner seahorse. So let me show you how I did that. In your craft packet, you will find a little bag with 4 different colors of watercolor and a pipette, some cupcake liner halves, and the template for our craft. So we are going to start by coloring our seahorse, and you can do this in whatever shape or pattern you want. And we'll start by taking out our 4 baggies of watercolor paint, and these can stain, so be very careful, and our pipette and our paintbrush. So to start with our watercolor, you can either dump them out into a small glass and then fill that glass with some water. You can put some water into the baggie itself, or you can just start painting straight from the paint. But this is a very concentrated paint, so it will be a very dark color. So depending on how much water you put in, it'll be a lighter color. All right. So I'm going to start with red, and I'll fill it about that far with water, and then I'll mix it up and start painting. And I'll do the same with all the other colors. So this is my next color for my pattern, and I'm going to fill it up about the same and start painting too. Here is my seahorse once I've colored it, and you can feel free to go outside of the line, especially with watercolor, since it's a little harder to control, because we are going to cut it out. So once it's dried, you can go ahead and start cutting it. Here is my seahorse once he's been cut out, and now I'm going to start by taking my cupcake liners, and I want to start with pink right up at the top. I'm going to grab one of my cupcake liner halves, and I'm going to fold it in half again so it looks like this. And then I'm going to make some like patterns in it like this, and then fold it down here. And then when I have this, I'm going to take my tacky glue and I'm going to put it on the back and glue it right where I want it. I want that to start right up there, so that's how it looks. And now we'll go all the way down his back and as far as you want to go. This is what my seahorse looks like once I've glued on all of my cupcake liners. And now you can take a pencil or a marker and you can draw on some eyes. There is our seahorse. If you're interested in making this craft, feel free to come by the library and pick up a packet for Colorín Colorado. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!